Today I'm going to be installing a wig. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing. I did like a bleach bath on it. It was black. I didn't record that process, but the lace is already tinted to my skin color. So we just gonna go ahead and get into it. This is a 5x5 closure. This was a wig that was made by me. So this is how it looks up close. We are going to now melt it because I don't like when it's just can be worn glueless, but we're gonna put some adhesive on it because who wants to wear it like that? I don't know how far I want it. Right at my hairline. Here, like right there is good. I'm gonna take out the baby hairs first. I think that's enough baby hairs. Okay, so now that we have the baby hairs out of the way, I'm going in with the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and I'm just gonna spray the lace down. I like to use my finger to like work it in, and then I'm gonna go in the front. Ooh, that's cold. You see that, y'all? How like it blended in perfectly, y'all. That looks like fucking scalp. Okay, I'm not gonna move because it tends to live. And I'm gonna go in again because you want this to lay as flat as possible, or want it to melt. Not lay flat, it's laying flat. I don't know why I said that. Just be careful not getting like glue on your skin because then it might show up. But you can always go in with some alcohol and like a Q-tip to like wipe it off. Is this in the middle? This is like not in the middle. I'm gonna move it and then I gotta respray it. So make sure that your part is in the middle if you already parted the hair. So now I'm gonna just cut some layers. There's already like a little bit of layers, but I want to cut them a little better. This is just to frame my face and give it some more body. So this is how the layers came out. I don't really know how to layer. I be trying to, but to be honest, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So now I am going to start the baby hairs. Hopefully there's no white residue because sometimes there is because I put too much. See how like there's a little bit of white residue? So just be careful with that. When doing your baby hairs, cutting them bluntly is not the way to go. You want to cut them in like a diagonal. I'm gonna take like my little flat iron and I'm gonna curl them. Be careful because sometimes I be burning myself. So just be careful when doing this. Now that they're like fluffed out, I'm going to start in just to form them.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
Okay, you guys, so I just got done doing my edges. Now I am going to style the hair. I want to do some curls. I haven't really done curls on the camera before, so this will be my first time trying to attempt that. I'm going to go ahead and just part the hair down the middle. Hopefully this comes out decent. So I'm just gonna do small sections. I'm gonna take my heat protectant spray and I'm just gonna spray it twice. No, 3 times.
Right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think I'm going to fit.
Hopefully this is the right way. I feel like I'm curling it the wrong way right now. We're gonna see. So that's the curl.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know.
I'm not used to curly hair on a head. Or on myself. I'm used to curling hair on a mannequin. But I think I am curling it since it's going away from my face. Okay, I think I curled that one the wrong way. Let's keep going.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. You, I'm trusting you, babe.
Okay, y'all. So I got one side done. This is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna leave the curls intact until I'm ready to brush them out. For this side, I'm gonna do this side really quick. Let's do this.
Never thought out of love with you.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm just gonna use my molding spray. And this is spray I use other than a wax stick. And this flattens the hair out. So now I'm gonna put like a lighter shade of this onto my part so that it looks, so I can cover up the grids on my part. And I'm just taking Pure Beige in with LA Pro concealer. And I'm just go from the back to the front very lightly. And I go in with my comb and just pat it down a little bit more.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more, I don't.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and did my makeup. I brushed out the curls, as you can see. They're kind of dropping fast, but they look, you know, cute. I like them loose like this. I don't like them to be too, like, flawless. Not flawless. I like them to look effortless. That's the word. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I really enjoyed making it, even though I was struggling because I haven't curled my hair on myself for the longest. If you guys like these videos, please let me know. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you guys know whenever I post. And let me know in the comment section something that you guys want to see next, because I would be more than happy to make that video for you. If you have any like tips or tricks that I could do better in my videos, go ahead and leave that also in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.